Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig talking on the phone. Let's start drawing. To start, I am going to draw her nose and the shape of her head. Then her eyes. Now I draw her ears and her smiling mouth and her circle for her cheek. Now I draw her body. She has mobile phone in her hand. I draw 9 buttons on it. Let's start coloring. For her mouth, I used 2 different shades of red. Pink color. I use this pink marker for her skin. I color her dress with this orange marker. For the phone, I use gray. Blue color. And rainbow colors for the buttons. It looks so cute. See you next video.